will meet Mia and Leo. They are going to play, share, and use their best English words. Today, we are going on a trip, then to the park. We will meet Mia and Leo. They are going to play, share, and use their best English words.
By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to say at the park.
Ready? Let's go! Are you excited to play today?
Yes! Let's go! Yes!
I want to go on the swing. I want to go on the slide.
Me too, it looks fun!
Yeah! The swing. The sled, the monkey bars.
Let's do it!
You go first. Look, Mia, a slide! And swings. Let's go in, Mommy. All right, let's go explore. Look, Leo Joe, someone's already playing over there. Whoa!
Hello!
Let's go say hi. Mia feels a little shy, but she remembers Pod. Being kind is easy when you use kind words. Can I join you? Of course, Mia. Here you go.
Thank you!
More sand here.
We got it!
Look, it's bigger now.
Yay!
Let's practice these magic phrases together.
Look at our sandcastle! It's almost done! Hi, everyone!
Hi, my name is Mia. What's your name? What's your name? I'm Leo. I'm Zoe. Can I play with you? Sure, let's build a castle. Yes! I'm building a sandcastle. Wow, that's amazing. Can I help? What do you need? Yeah, tell her. Here's a shovel.
Look at this!
Wow! Watch out! That tickles. Can I have a turn with the bucket? Sure, here you go. All right.
Here you go!
Wow, thank you. What's your name?
Huh.
What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name? What's your name? Can I play with you? Can I help? Can I help? Great! Mia and Zoe are friends now. But over on the slide, Leo has a different problem.
Let's build a castle! I've got my bucket.
I want to make a mountain. Oh, okay. Thank you. Woohoo! Higher. What should I do? Hi, Leo. Wanna swing? Come play in the sandbox.
Up and down, up and down. Hee hee. Up and down.
Come on, hurry up.
I'm coming, I'm coming.
Wait for me. Yay! My turn. Watch this. Going up. Leo, we finished our sandcastle. Wow, that's amazing. It's the best one ever. Yes, please. Thank you. Hi, friends. Do you know what to say when you want to play on the swing? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come. Thank you for understanding. It's okay, we can share. Yeah, let's play together. That was awesome! You should try. Yeah, it was so fast. Is it my turn now? Great job learning with Mia, Leo, and Zoe today. Hey, no cutting. Go to the end of the line. Aw. No, thank you. I have an apple. No? No, thank you. I have an apple. Oh, okay. Come try the slide with me. Wow, okay. Oh, sorry. Go ahead. Would you like some crackers?
Yes, please.
Oh, thanks. Wow, a slide. Oh. Wow, so many kids. I saw a caterpillar as big as my shoe.
Wow, a big one.
Let's go look for it after snacks. Can I wait with you? Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Whee! Sure, it's your turn after me. Hooray! You wait here. This is the line. Let's build a castle together. Yeah, a super big one. I'm going up first. Wait for us. Let's build a castle here. This is so much fun. Let's play tag. The seesaw. Want to play together? Sure, let's go. Whee! Whee! You can't catch me. Watch out, I'm coming. Let's get them.